No snow. Temperatures, you can't get snow when it's this warm. Temperatures more typical of April. Got a few April showers early morning. We had a high of 64 degrees yesterday. I really hope you had a chance to get outside and enjoy it. After the fog cleared, we had a sunshine for a few hours and then the clouds came in, but the southerly breeze didn't really stop temperatures from rising to the low to mid 60s. At 64-degree high yesterday did crack the top 5 warmest January 18th that we have on record. The record high was set just a few years ago, back in 2017, when it got to 67 degrees. Incidentally, that is our forecast high for today. Today's record high is 69 degrees. I don't think we'll get that warm, but if we do, it'll be the warmest temperature that we have seen on this date in 116 years. Pretty impressive. The average high is 49. 67, incidentally, has been hit twice, and it's the second warmest temperature ever. So even if we get to 66, we crack the top 6 or 7 highest temperatures ever. And with the south wind at 10, we're off to a very good start. This wind is actually paying dividends and helping to keep the air mixed, and that's preventing this moist air to help develop fog, where we do have more wind, less wind across our western counties is where fog has been a little bit more of an issue. Visibility, Yadkinville up in Stewart, Hillsville reporting less than a half a mile. Elkin about 1 to about 1.25 miles through Elkin, Dobson, and getting into the area of Mount Airy. Winds will start to pick up this morning, help to mix that out fairly quickly today, and those gusts will continue to climb. Once we get the front through this afternoon, the winds really pick up and could gust 30 to 50 miles per hour in the mountains, prompting that wind advisory through tonight and into the first part of tomorrow. Noontime is when it expires. I think the strongest winds are this evening and overnight. Now, the rain part of this starts to trickle into the area later this morning. I think by 8, 9 o'clock, we'll begin to see it moving into the mountains, probably closer to 9. Scattered showers mostly. I don't think we'll have much, if any, thunder in the area. For the Tri, it'll take a little longer to get in, but I think by late morning or early afternoon, our best rain chances will come to fruition, and then things will start to settle down. I mean, look how warm it is. It's 60 right now in Asheboro. 55 in Greensboro. I had a little data hit. It looks like Winston-Salem and Reedsville. Hopefully we'll get that back restored. But temperatures are just as warm there, mid to upper 50s to start. We're on our way to highs around 66, 67 this afternoon. Breezy winds even in the Tri will gust likely into the 30s today. Best rain chances are around lunchtime. Earlier and higher farther west in the foothills, late morning through early afternoon, about a 60% chance for rain. That'll be your main impact window, including the mountains, where has a 70% chance of rain later today with highs in the 50s. 7-day cools us tomorrow, even more so this weekend. Good rain chances return on a chilly rain on Sunday.